Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another video. As we know, OnePlus 5 and 5T are now considered under EOL category. And here EOL stands for end of life, and the phones which comes under EOL don't even get the security patch update. But we have some awesome developers who continues to develop custom ROMs and gives us the taste of latest Android versions. So here in this video, we'll take a look at one of the best and almost stable custom ROM for OnePlus 5 and 5T, which is known as Dovefest, and it's based on Android 12. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 5 on which I've installed this ROM, and trust me guys, till now I haven't faced any kind of issues while using the device. First let me show you the software information. Here you can see Android version is Android 12, maintainer is David. It comes with 5th November 2021 security patch. Also guys, before talking about this ROM, first of all, huge thanks to everyone for completing the like target of 300 likes on our previous video. Let's keep the same like target on this video too. And as I say every time, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And now let's talk about this custom ROM. Basically, almost everything is working fine, including calling services, VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, alert slider, charging is pretty fast, notification LED, hardware buttons are perfectly fine. These are the benchmark results using Geekbench application, in which single core have scored 381 and multi-core have scored 1075. With Enter2 benchmark application, device have scored 2,93,744. Device also passes safety net check. On custom ROMs, most of the users think that payment services will not work. But guys, that's not the case until unless you root your device. If you are able to hide root using Magisk module, then you can use payment services on rooted phones also. But if your device isn't rooted, then you won't have any issues with the payment services or banking applications. And this is the first Android 12 custom ROM which I found pretty stable enough to be used as daily driver. On this ROM, we also get a lot of customization options which can be found inside the settings section. And here you can see it says Dub Space, where we have lots of options to customize the device. And if you guys wish to install this custom ROM on your device, at the end of this video you can also find installation guide. All the download links can be found in the description below. ROM also comes with its own launcher, and that have lots of customization options, like you can enable wallpaper zooming, you can resize the icons and font size directly from the launcher itself. And this launcher is based on AOSP Launcher 3. All the sensors does their job pretty well, like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. By default we get this AOSP camera pre-installed, but if you guys want to install Google Camera application, then you can join a Telegram group where we can provide you the Google Camera APK for OnePlus 5 series. Wallpaper based theming engine works pretty great. We also have this option of themed icon, and that also does its work pretty fine. We don't get to see any extra applications pre-installed. Everything is super neat and clean. Whatever applications you want, you can sideload them or you can download it from Google Play Store. Gestures like double tap to wake and double tap to sleep doesn't have any kind of issues. Also, fingerprint unlock is lightning fast. There are no delays to be seen while unlocking the device using fingerprint unlock, though we don't get to see face unlock option on this current build. And as said, ROM is quite stable and you can use this OS on your primary device. So if you take a look at the customization options, here we have many customization options in which you can customize the status bar, quick setting panels, lock screen and system. So I'm not going much into customization settings. If you guys wish to install, then you can customize the device as per your requirements. And another best part here on this custom ROM, we also have dedicated OnePlus settings like DC dimming, touchscreen gestures from OnePlus, FPS overlay. If you want, you can customize the alert slider. We also have the option of swapping hardware buttons, and at last vibrator strength can also be changed. We also have game dashboard support on this custom ROM. Other things like one-handed mode have no issues at all, and it works as expected. There are some more features like you can enable advanced restart option, playback controls, 3-finger gesture for screenshot, tap to sleep and many more. So basically guys, this is one of the finest Android 12 custom ROM in these early stages. I've tried many custom ROMs, but they do have some minor glitches. But that's not the case with this custom ROM. As said, I've been using this custom ROM on my OnePlus 5 and this is the best custom ROM as of now. And now let's talk about the installation part. To install custom ROM on OnePlus 5 or 5T, your device bootloader should be unlocked and you should have a custom recovery. In my case, I am using Orange Fox recovery. Link of this can be found in the description below. If you guys want to use this, then you can download it from the description below. After that, you will be requiring the ROM file and the firmware. Firmware is only required if you are running custom ROM on your device, then you can use this firmware. If you are running latest Oxygen OS which was 10.0.1, then you can directly flash custom ROM on your OnePlus 5 or 5T. So I don't require this firmware because I was running Oxygen OS 10.0.1. So we'll directly flash this custom ROM. Tapping on it, swipe to confirm flash. The flashing process might take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once the ROM is flashed successfully without any kind of errors, just go back and you need to format data from here. Tapping on format data, type yes and hit this tick mark. Once done, just tap on reboot system. And there we have the boot animation of this custom ROM on a OnePlus 5. A device has been successfully booted up. If you get this speech service error, then just close this application and complete the initial setup. Once you update all the applications, you won't see this error again. So guys, this was a quick look and installation guide of DerpFest ROM for OnePlus 5 and 5T. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.